Hi guys, Steph here. Look at this gorgeous pen. Yes, it's the one that I showed you in my last video, in my pen haul video, and what we're going to do today is reveal what it is. Now first of all, I reviewed lots and lots of fountain pens that they're made by major manufacturers for other companies, and in a lot of cases it's rather difficult sort of finding out or knowing who actually was the manufacturer of the pen for that other company. In this particular case, it's a lot easier to identify. Now if I turn it round for you, there we go. There's the answer for you. Conway Stewart. Although it's a Conway Stewart, let me take you straight to the barrel imprint. Okay, so there's a barrel imprint for you, and it reads the Premier pen, Lyon Ltd, Glasgow. Okay, so as you can see, it's got a lovely clear barrel imprint, and then just to the bottom here, somewhere below the lever, you will also see it says patent applied for, made in England. So lovely clear barrel imprints. So who is Lyon Ltd of Glasgow? Nice and simply, a gentleman by the name of William Lyon, who was born around about sort of mid 1800s in Troon in Ayrshire, which is in Scotland. William Lyon went on to have a good career in different kinds of businesses. He had numerous businesses in Scotland around Glasgow, and one of the businesses was a stationer's and also a printer's, and I believe sort of around about 1910 eventually the company became a limited company and became Lyon Ltd. Okay, so this pen, nice and simply, made by Conway Stewart for Lyon Ltd stationers. I'm dating the pen, I don't know, maybe around about the 1930s, and it's in absolutely superb condition. Okay, it's black hard rubber. It's actually got this lovely chased pattern, as you can see there, in absolutely superb condition. Let's show you the lever. You can see it's got the standard Conway Stewart lever there with the Conway Stewart logo. The two cap bands there you can see in beautiful condition, and as we've just shown you, an early type Conway Stewart ball clip, and then to the top there it's what we term as a flat top. But all in all, the pen is in absolutely gorgeous condition. Now all I had to do is, it actually still had the original sack inside, although it was perished. We've actually put a brand new sack in the pen. We disassembled everything and cleaned everything. We gave it a gentle polish, but apart from that, it didn't need a lot of work. The size of this pen capped is 130mm capped. Around the barrel, it's just a tad under 12mm in diameter. So as you can see, it's a lovely sized pen. So once again, just going back to what I was saying, we've got a lovely pen made for another company, and in this case being Lyon Ltd, the stationers in Glasgow and made by the manufacturer Conway Stewart. Now, the only thing I'm not too sure about is actually which Conway Stewart model it is. It may be what they term as one of the universal pens. It also looks very similar to the 400 series of Conway Stewarts. But what we'll do for you people out there, yes, let's leave it in your hands. And for you people that know the Conway Stewart range, why not leave a comment below and tell us which model this pen is. There you go. That'll give you something to do. So yeah, if you know what the model is, share it with us in the comments down below. Now, if I unscrew the pen, show you the pen in numerous different angles. As I say, an absolutely stunning example. You know, in my opinion, I never use the word mint, but in my opinion, nice and simply, the word that I would use is in excellent condition. Now, you can see the section. It's got a typical Conway Stewart section there, slight taper towards the nib. And the second sort of surprising thing, in my opinion, let's take a look at this lovely nib. So what we've got in this particular case, as opposed to a Conway Stewart nib, because it was made for somebody else, we've got a Warranted first quality 14 karat gold. And then what you can't actually see, it's actually hidden in the section, it's got 5A to the bottom of the nib. But take a look at the tip in there. We've got a gorgeous stub nib. So absolutely beautiful. There's a sideways view for you. Let's show you the feed. We've got the standard Conway Stewart feed underneath. As you can see, we've cleaned everything, and as I say, it's in excellent condition. A lovely size pen, even with my large hands. Very comfortable to hold and to write with. Now, because we're going to find a new home for the pen, I'm not going to fill it, although I've put a brand new sack in it. So what we'll do, just to see how the nib writes, we'll just use a dip test. So what we have is a Conway Stewart made pen for Lyon Ltd in Glasgow. I'm dating it round about maybe 1930s, who knows, maybe 1940s. Let's just give it another dip. And as you can tell by my silence, it's a lovely writer. But look at that line variation. Okay, so as we said, a lovely stub nib. From the stub nib you can see a lovely, well, you can see the line variation there, absolutely gorgeous, and a lovely writer as well. So there we have it. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of you were waiting for this pen for me to reveal what it is, and there we have it. It's the Premier pen made for Lyon Ltd of Glasgow. Incidentally, the name Premier, I don't think that's actually a Conway Stewart name, but I'll stand corrected. I believe it may be the name that Lyon Ltd actually gave to their own range of pens made by Conway Stewart. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this gorgeous pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now? Give the video a thumbs up, people, please. And don't forget, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye-bye for now.